Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Pancakes for 6, smash burgers on a Tuesday, meal prepped chicken for the whole week. One good electric griddle handles all of it without heating up your oven. But most of them run hot in the middle and dead at the edges. So I rounded up 6 of Amazon's most popular electric griddles and put every single one through real cooking. I have used these products, and they are all high-quality products that I highly recommend. I have mentioned all the pros and cons here. I think this one is my top 6 pick. However, you may prefer a different product depending on your needs and preferences. Let's get right into it. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights. Product number 1. Presto 07061 22-inch electric griddle, starting with my overall favorite. The Presto 07061 gives you a huge 22 by 11.5-inch ceramic cooking surface, around 253 square inches, powered by 1500 watts on a heavy cast aluminum base that basically refuses to warp. What sold me are the removable handles. Pop them off, pull the heat control, and the whole griddle slides into your sink or dishwasher. The PFAS-free ceramic coating released eggs cleanly with barely any butter, which my fitness-minded friends will appreciate. Pros: massive family-size surface, genuinely even heating, warp-proof cast aluminum build, fully immersible for easy cleanup, sloped surface drains grease into a slide-out tray, and a fair price for the size. Cons: it's big and awkward to store in a small kitchen. The temperature dial isn't super precise, and ceramic coatings do lose slickness after a couple of years if you use metal tools. Product number 2. Black & Decker 8-serving electric griddle. This is the reliable workhorse. Black & Decker's family-sized griddle serves 8 with roughly a 20 by 11-inch nonstick surface, and the click-and-lock removable thermostat dials up to about 400 degrees. Hot enough for a proper burger sear, not just pancakes. Grease channels run the drippings into a removable tray, and once the control is off, the base is fully immersible. Pros: excellent value for the cooking area you get. Fast preheat, cool touch handles, dishwasher-friendly base, and one of the easiest cleanups in this lineup. The temperature control clicks in securely instead of wobbling like cheaper probes. Cons: the plate is thinner than the Prestos, so I noticed mild hot spots near the element and a little temperature drop when I loaded it with cold food. The nonstick is good, but not indestructible. Hand wash it and skip metal spatulas if you want it to last. Product number 3. Bella XL 12 by 22-inch electric griddle. Bella's XL is the entertainer of the group. You get a full 12 by 22-inch surface, around 15 eggs or 8 pancakes at once, plus something nobody else here offers, a built-in warming tray that keeps the first batch hot while you cook the second. If you've ever served cold pancakes to a table of 6, that feature alone is worth it. Pros: enormous cooking area, 1500-watt heating system, Evergood ceramic nonstick made without PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, or cadmium, a removable temp probe with a simple dial, cool touch handles, and it's light at under 8 pounds. The warming tray is dishwasher safe. Cons: that warming tray adds real counter footprint, and it's for holding food, not cooking on. The ceramic needs gentle treatment to stay slick, and a few users find the edges cooler than the center under heavy loads. Product number 4. OVENTE Electric Griddle. Small kitchen, dorm, RV, this is your pick. The OVENTE runs a 16 by 10 nonstick plate, about 160 square inches, at 1200 watts, with 5 temperature settings spanning roughly 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and an indicator light so you know when it's ready. It's the cheapest griddle here by a wide margin, and honestly, it punches above its price. Pros: seriously affordable. Compact and easy to store, quick rapid heat element, removable temperature probe, a drip tray that catches grease neatly, and a non-stick surface that wipes clean in seconds. Great for 2 or 3 people, or one-person meal prepping. Cons: 160 square inches fills up fast. This is not a pancake for 8 machine. At 1200 watts, it recovers more slowly with cold food. Testers have reported noticeable temperature swings around the set point, and the thinner plate means you'll want to rotate food for even browning.
Product number 5, Hamilton Beach Professional Electric Griddle. If you care about the sear, this one's different from everything else on the list. Hamilton Beach Professional uses a pre-seasoned cast iron cooktop, roughly 10 by 16 inches, that lifts right off the heating base. Cast iron holds heat like nothing else, so when you drop cold steak, smash burgers, or a pile of chicken thighs on it, the temperature barely dips. You get crust, not steam. Pros? Outstanding heat retention and browning, removable cooktop for easy cleaning and storage, sturdy premium build, precise temperature control, and no synthetic nonstick coating to wear out. Season it, and it improves with age. Cons? It's heavy. It takes longer to preheat than aluminum griddles, and the surface is smaller than the big family models here. It's also the priciest option, and cast iron needs care. Dry it, oil it, don't leave it soaking.
Product number 6, Deluxe Everyday Electric Griddle. Last, but definitely not least, the Deluxe is the one that actually looks good on your countertop. You get a 20 by 10.5 inch extra large non-stick surface running at 1500 watts, an anti-slip base, a removable drip tray, and it comes in colors like aqua and red instead of standard black. A recipe book is included, which is a nice touch for beginners. Pros? Excellent value, fast and even 1500 watt heating with minimal hotspots, easy release non-stick that needs very little oil, genuinely simple cleanup, lightweight enough to move and store, and the most stylish design in this roundup. Cons? The biggest gripe? The temperature dial is numbered 1 through 5 instead of showing actual degrees, so you're guessing until you learn it. The lightweight build feels less premium than the Presto or Hamilton Beach, and the nonstick coating needs hand washing to survive long term.
And that's my top 6. Which griddle are you grabbing? The giant Presto or that cast iron Hamilton Beach? Tell me in the comments. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and check the links below for current prices. Thanks for watching.